1.3x.
So, good evening, everyone.
Good evening, sir.
How are you all?
We are fine, thank you. What about you, sir?
I'm pretty happy because of you people here. It might be really wonderful. Thank you so much for. And I mean, I'm talking about your being good and good business, right?
Yes, sir.
Right. Fine. So, as of now, from letter to library, we have completed letter, word,
Sentence.
So the next one is very important because many of us, we all believe or we generally know that, we speak by framing sentences. If you ask few people like, why can't you speak English? What is the problem to speak English in the sense? They say like, I know many words actually, I know noun, I know pronoun, I know adjective, everything, but I am failing to frame the sentences. Then they'll say, I don't know the structures. What is that? Structures. Because I don't know basic structure, or if it is subject verb or object also, I am failing to frame the correct sentences. I don't know how to frame them, how to use them like that. So why are they facing problem in the sense? Generally, what is the general structure of sentence actually? Subject plus plus
Object.
of. So this is what they are following actually, right? Now this is what the structure of a sentence which we are following regularly. Now what is the structure of a question? No, you have to generally, you should just say generally, normally, student, how the student will say. For example, if I say like this, they may say, not this also. Generally students, what do they do, For example, if I want to ask a question, that whether you know Telugu or not, students are habituated to say like, you know Telugu sir? What is that?
You know Telugu, sir.
It means they generally again, they just use the same structure and they give question mark phrase. Question mark
Phrase.
The question, you wait, you come, you not come. Okay, generally I heard many questions like, they just wanted to know whether I know Telugu or not, and they framed the questions like, sir, you know Telugu sir? Tomorrow there is a party. Sir, you're coming tomorrow? You're coming tomorrow. This is what generally they follow because they do follow the same thing here, which is for the sentence, subject, verb, object. As I said, for example, as I'm telling, students are asking the questions like this. Sir, you know Telugu sir? No, I am Hindi sir actually. Alright? A question. Okay. But students they don't know, but what is the right question actually here? You know it. That's the reason. Anyhow, we had completed yes or not a question. That's the reason. Now, generally, if you keep a question mark here, it doesn't become a question. But when you just keep no means V1 or V2?
V1.
So if you keep do you know Telugu sir, then definitely it will become a
Question mark.
Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
So in this question, what do we have extra?
Do.
If it is a structure for sentence, generally in general, interrogative sentences only we are calling. Right? What are the WH words means? WH sentences means sentence means assertive, imperative, interrogative, and declarative or exclamatory. Likewise, they have divided into 4 types, right? For me, only one: statement, sentences, obligations. That's all, Your Honor. WH word questions are different. So anyhow, so in that types of sentence only, we are having interrogative sentences. What are they?
Interrogative sentences.
Only. This also you are telling us the sentences only. Okay. But you have given the structure of called subject verb object. So we are following as it is sentence, interrogative sentence. Every student is following the same and just keeping a question mark for the question. So now let's come to negative. I said, do you know Telugu sir? I said I don't know Telugu. What is that?
I don't know Telugu.
I don't know
Telugu.
Telugu. I don't call student answer. My answer is like I don't know Telugu. Again here, what is this?
Subject.
What is this?
Subject.
Where is verb? Where is object? This one. This is what my answer, right? Or if I say I know Telugu also, so okay, they are invisible. Now see, have a look. What is this? This is subject. This is verb. This is object. This is subject. This is verb. This is object. We are generally we are hearing only subject, verb, object only, but nobody is concentrating which is invisible in. For example, I know Telugu. I know Telugu. Here generally what happened? It satisfies only this one if you observe. Subject, verb, object. I write a letter. I eat a banana every day. I come to school every day. Do you understand? I wrote a letter. I wrote a letter. She comes to school. She comes to school. Here it justifies subject. Okay, subject, verb, and object. If you take questions and the negative sentences, you will find something extra. Okay, right? We are not only having subject, verb, object. Here to frame a question you need something else. To state something negative also you need something else. And generally what is don't actually or what is do actually? What is do? It's a helping verb. And this is also a negative helping verb. Now for example, if you tell this only to the students generally, they are also getting habituated and just using without this helping up, they are just framing questions. I heard number of questions from the students. Even you would have heard the same with your friends also. Am I correct or not?
Yes, sir.
So they don't ask you like, are you coming tomorrow? Are you coming tomorrow? Do you like this? You like this color? You watch that movie? You will hear these type of sentences. Number of nothing is wrong because they are following the same structure. You like the movie? You like the movie? Simple past means you liked the movie. Okay. You come to school every day. You came to school yesterday. You come to school tomorrow. Subject to verb object. But in this there are n number of mistakes. Am I correct or not? So that's the reason everybody starts their tenses with simple present tense. Am I correct or not?
Yes, sir.
Simple present tense means generally what happens. For example, I go to school every day, right? So every tense starts with simple present tense generally wherever you go, whatever the state is, whatever the place it is. That's the reason they have taken the same structure, okay, and they are taking this is subject mark, this is verb, and this is object, this is extra word, gerund or whatever. Okay, as they have started this tense, we are following this one. But generally, what if slowly if you go to the next tense, let's take it. I am going to school now. I'm going to school now. Now again here. Subject, verb, object. You will find something extra. Okay. If I write in future, I will go school. I'm taking only one thing. Okay. School tomorrow. Okay. Now again, subject, verb, object. Again, you will find something here, right? Except this simple present tense and the simple past tense, every tense you will find something extra. For example, orally I will tell you. Now, I go to school every day. Next, present continuous tense. I am going to school every day. I have gone to school just now. Okay. I have been going to school for last 20 minutes. I have been going to school for last 20 minutes. I have been has come. I am has come. I have also come. Right? So not directly the verb. Not directly the verb. Let's go to past tense. Let's go to
Past tense.
I went to the school. I
Went to the school.
past continuous. I was going to the school. I had gone to the school. I I had been going to the school. Going is coming later after the helping verb. Do you understand? I am not writing, but just like will, you will have was in the future. Okay. Had been in the future. Had in future. Next, future continuous tense. I will go to school. I will be going to school. I will have gone to school. I will have been going to school. So, likewise, if I write all the sentences also, after the subject immediately what are you getting? So, what is this am? What is this will? It was raining. What is was? Okay, she is sleeping. What is is? Okay, I have been playing cricket. What is have been? The train had left the station before I reached. What is the had? The train had left. Left is verb. Had is helping verb. I have been teaching. What is have been? She has been. Okay, I will be. I will have. I will have been. Do you understand? See, immediately after subject, what are you getting? Not verb immediately. You are getting
Helping verb.
That's what we are going to replace it actually. Not only subject, verb, object, we are going to give a structure by adding invisible helping verb. You may ask, sir, where is helping verb here? Anyone after yes or not questions, you will not have that doubt. Why? Go means okay, I do go to school regularly, I do go to school every day. And if it is negative, I do not go to school
Every day.
So, our structure will fit for anything, any sentence. What is that? That's what I am going to tell you. Here, I may say like, I went to school. I
Went to
went
school.
to school. Sir, where is helping verb, sir? Subject to verb or object to? Did plus go. Subject, helping verb, verb, object. Do you understand? So by taking all these examples, let us not give and let us not make the student confused by telling only subject, verb, object. Let us say that after immediately the subject, what is that? After the subject, generally what we need to place actually? The heart of English, that is helping verb. Later verb comes actually. Okay, what is that? Verb plus object. And whenever we are changing this helping verb, when we are talking about the tenses, whenever we talk about tenses, that should end with time. Or, of course, you may or may not say this. For example, I wrote some examples, right? Here, subject. After that, every day. What is this? Time. Okay. Tomorrow, what is this?
Time.
Now, what is this? At above time. When the action takes place or whenever the action happens, we just generally we do mention the time. Because if it is will, because of will, this is tomorrow. Because of do, this is every day. Now I went to, because of did, this is yesterday. Correct or not? If I say I have been doing, of course, time period, for last 2 hours. For last
2 hours.
Generally, whenever we are framing any sentences, I told you clearly what is meant by tense, time and work. Time and work is here, so you should mention the time. Understand? And the time is decided by the helping verb. Tense gets varied, tense gets changed because of the helping verb, not the verb. Do you all understand? As I say, I am playing, I was playing, I will be playing. Verb is same, right?
Yes.
Playing. But what did I change?
Helping verb.
I am playing, present continuous tense. I was playing, past tense. I will be playing, future continuous tense. Here, playing, same. Verb is not changing the tense. Helping verb is changing the tense. Do you understand? If you want to change into negative also, you do not, no need to bother about the verb. Just to bother about the helping verb. I am not teaching. I was not teaching. I will be not teaching. Do you all understand? You are not telling not come or not go. Okay. But if you are not giving this helping verbs in the structure, students are habituated to say only verb. Come means come. Negative means not come. Did you do your homework? No, ma'am, not do. Did you come to school? No, ma'am, not came. Past, no. Came, you will come, I know. Not came. Not ate. Did you eat? No, I not ate. Did you understand? Not understand, ma'am. So that's the reason. Let us give that invisible things visible, so that they will be using that helping us. Do you understand? So because of this, as we start the tenses, simple present tense, we are following structure called subject verb object. Not only for you trainers, for many teachers have taught the same, and after that, after applying this one, they told to the students also, and now everybody is using that helping verb. That helping verb decides the tense or frames the sentences in a proper manner. Do you understand? Now remove is helping on speak, as I said, not came. Okay, I do not know English. In positive we can remove. I know English. If you keep do or if you don't keep also, nothing is wrong, right? I do remember or I remember. I like chocolates or I do like chocolate. In positive you remove also no problem, because do plus come. But in negative if you remove, I do not know Telugu. I not know Telugu. I did not come to school yesterday. Remove that did. I not come to school yesterday. Do you understand? I will not come to school. Remove that not. Or I mean, I will become. I will come to school. Or I remove will also. I not come tomorrow. I not come tomorrow. Students are using the same English actually because they are habituated to use subject, verb, object. Not the student. Entire word. Entire word. Do you all understand? So if you go with that structure, I am telling you, you will make the same mistakes. Even whenever you are making also, your subject is correct. Okay, your subject is correct. Your verb is also correct. Your object is also correct. As I said, subject is noun pronoun. Verb means the four forms. Either you would be using go, went, gone, going only, right? Right? What you are not placing properly in the sense, only helping you. For example, yesterday where were you? I asked. Where were you? What were you doing yesterday? For example, let us see. Stand up. What were you doing yesterday in the classroom by this time? You said the answer, no? Sit down. Sit down. Where were you yesterday? Yes or no? Questions are all right. Please.